Zazzau, the epicenter of knowledge, Zaria, bringing ilmi. The title of my poem is The Malam Abdul Karim Central Mosque, the eternal heritage of Zazzau, a poem in honor of the successful groundbreaking ceremony for the reconstruction of Malam Abdul Karim Central Mosque here in Zazzau. To you I speak with gratitude, heartfelt, from hearts unbound. Our thanks is sound. First, Architect Namadi Sambo, Sardaunan Zazzau. Your leadership of a high-powered technical committee of experts shines with grace in all that you do. To Madam Nasru Erufai, who rallied support with might, your tireless effort fill us with pride. And Alhaji Abdul Samad Rabi'u, generous and wide. Your contributions ensure this legacy stand fast with pride, a testament of faith forever to last, a legacy built, enduring, and vast. To His Excellency, Tinubu, our president, esteemed and revered, towering the crusade, a leader of strength, carving the path, guiding the way as paths are renewed. To you, Right Honorable Speaker, the Ian Zazzau, Abbas Tajuddin, serene and keen, your wisdom lights the way and guides the Ummah, empowering hearts, answering the call. Like a beacon in the skies, your support honors us all. His Excellency, Governor Obasani, our state strong guide. With unwavering support, you stand with us. You've aided the victims, uplifted the fallen, restored the displaced, paving paths of hope where faith find its place. To you all, you stand as a pillar, unwavering and strong, guiding us forward where we all belong. Your commitment to progress ignites the flame. With every bold move, we firmly stand. With every bold step, we rise in your names. To you all, you stand hand in hand, strong and splendid. With hearts that united, we rise and find the way. Together, we rise in unity of spirit, rebuilding with purpose on this sacred ground, in this united cause, where hearts ignite, your support uplift, your kindness prevails, transforming visions of hope into stories of legends through unity, faith, and grace embrace. Through your leadership, we rise with grace, building a legacy on faith and care, a legacy that time cannot erase, a timeless bond that none shall tear. I speak to you, the noble houses of law, from Amir Isyaku Jatau's cherished core to Sheikh Haruna Jibril of Konas Revado and Sheikh Abubakar Al-Futi, the Malam of Juma, the enduring tripod of Zaza's knowledge, divine, pillars of wisdom where piety and devotion aligns, guidance of Zaza's essence and might. I ask, where are the custodians of Limanchin Al-Fadere and Limanchin Inya? Oh, Gidan Mallamawa, your legacy still stands tall. And you, oh Zage Zagi, guidance of your legacy untamed. I ask again, where are the descendants of Salihu Bambali's name? Heirs of Ibrahim Toslim? Where are the noble lineages of Umar Wali, Kakaki, Kusfa, and Magadia as well? Where are the heirs of Malam Sani, of Kofar Doka, of Malam Ahmadu Guruza, and Malam Sambo Mechesaini? You, the lineages of learning in Zazzau, the custodians of Zaria, bringing ilmi, the enduring epicenter of knowledge and enlightenment. Now I turn solemnly and squarely to the jihad houses. And finally, to the noble son of Malam Musa, the diplomat, custodian of Zazzau's domain, Your Highness, my Emir, Ambassador Malam Ahmad Nubamali, you stand as Zazzau's guide, a leader unmatched by excellence, entrusted with the wisdom of our past and the inspirations of a future destined to last. My Emir, shall I recount the grandeur of the Malam Abdul Karim Central Mosque? Shall I weave its tale in a melody of rhyme? The mosque, remembered through generations vast, a fact, no doubt, Malam Abdul Karim, the third Emir before you, built the mosque. Yet, it was a bequest from Malam Musa to his loyal prodigy and in-law, mentor to mentee, father to son, patron to acolytes, They are bound with unblemished love and unwavering companionship. It was told in the law, a truth engraved, that Malam Musa sketched the mosque he craved, delineating its boundaries, a vision to adorn, a masterpiece awaiting its grandeur to be born. Together, their faith and vision intertwined, a legacy fixed. Musa initiated what Abdul Karim laid its bricks, shaping its walls with skills that history honed, transforming the vision to life. For building mosques near palaces remains traditions called a practice of the Prophet echoing through time for all, like the Masjid al-Nabawi, a model for the Ummah, preserved through time for the believers to emulate. My Emir, Your Highness, Ambassador Malam Ahmad Nubamali, history has become the seeds of faith you've sown like the law of old. The mantle falls to you. Hear its call. Embrace your role. Take your place anew. Today, you rebuild the mosque to surpass its acclaim. As Abdul Karim honored Musa's righteous flame, so too rise to uphold Abdul Karim's name. The Malam Abdul Karim Central Mosque, cherished by all, in your wisdom, fulfill this sacred mission, a foundation of faith, a legacy for all, a promise for the future, a gift to the world. For Zazzal's destiny lies firmly with you. Guided by wisdom, let your purpose expand to shape a future as destiny demands. With these words, my Emir, I humbly echo the of Zazzal, and as I take my leave, with these words, guided by wisdom, let your purpose expand to shape a future as destiny demands.